Welcome back, guys. So today we have Elisa from the district. Elisa, I built this beautiful dream home that I hope to have one day. And I have a couple bushes, but my grass is dry and I want some trees. How do I go about making them?
Well, here's a way to improve the soil, the air, and the water and keep the wild alive. Because your dream house is wonderful, but it's missing something. It's missing the natural environment, the ecosystem that we are a part of.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and do this. Let's plant some trees.
Okay.
And of course, you may want to, this is a big tree, but you can start with little tree seedlings. But we have some big trees here. So
it's fun to watch them grow too.
It is. And when we plant these trees, what else is happening?
I think that if you plant trees, you're going to have wildlife that come, right?
That's right.
Like birds that live there.
So you can have different sorts of birds. Of course, these are big birds here.
Yeah, hopefully they're not that big. I think I would be a little bit frightened.
Over here, here's an eagle. And then you're going to have like a fox. You're going to have a fox and coyote. Let's put those in there.
Okay. Chipmunk?
Chipmunks.
This chipmunk stole my fruit. Hey.
And here's a snake. You're going to have some snakes. And of course, you have frogs, and you want a whole variety of insects too.
Right.
But you don't really get all those insects until you plant. Let's look at this other tree. This is called a deciduous tree.
Whoa, that's a big tree.
So we just planted some evergreens, but if we plant some deciduous trees as well around our house, then you get the necessary insects that are important for all of our ecosystem.
And we can also have rocks, right?
Rocks as well. Okay. And then you'll have other animals that will migrate through, and they'll find this a great place.
They're all different habitats within my yard.
That's right. And that promotes the biodiversity, a variety of wildlife. It makes it more interesting for you. It makes it healthier for us.
Neat.
And so the rock pile, and the other thing you can put is the flower garden.
I wanted to make like a flower butterfly garden.
By my butterfly garden right over there.
Look, there's wildlife flowers on the poster over there, too.
That's right.
Lots of different flowers that can be grown.
Those. And make sure you plant native plants, because those provide the necessary shelter and the year-round food sources for the animals that they need and the food that they need. So that's important to do.
So if I have this big garden and all these animals and creatures, I can certify my yard, right? So what does that mean, and how can I go about doing that?
A lot of these suggestions are what the National Wildlife Federation suggests, and they have, you go to their online source, and they will give you some of the things that we've just told about, as well as a water source as well that you can put in your yard. And you can get a nice certificate, and you get a sign that you can put right in front.
Oh, that's so cool.
And to educate your neighbors.
Neat. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. I really appreciate it. I think my dream home is finally complete. Thank you.
Thank you.